风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and we got more jazz music by Misa right here. This one is called Toucan or Azalea Cuckoo. Now, during a hiking trip, Misa spotted azaleas, and these beautiful flowers that had survived winter were still blooming in the spring. And this reminded Misa of the late singer Amy Winehouse, and it inspired her to create this song, Azalea Cuckoo, to honor Winehouse. Through the song, Misa expresses her grief and regret for the late singer, hoping that, like the azaleas, Amy's life could showcase her splendor while wishing her to have freedom like a bird. So let's go ahead and take a listen to this song by Misa. It's called Azalea Cuckoo, or in Hakka, Toucan.这首歌呢是 Misa 的 Toucan， 也就是杜鹃的意思，是 Misa 在登山的时候看到经历寒冬的高山杜鹃花依旧在春季绽放，展现出那坚强的生命力，让她联想到英年早逝的女歌手 Amy Winehouse， 进而为她创造这首歌曲 Toucan， 唱出对 Amy 的不舍跟惋惜，希望 Amy 呢可以如同杜鹃花一般绽放生命的精彩，也希望如同鸟一样展翅飞翔。Again, this song dedicated to Amy Winehouse is by Misa called Azalea Cuckoo or Toucan. Hope you enjoyed it. I am Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.